Hello children, I am teacher Thana. Today we're gonna talk about hobbies and interests. Hobbies and interests الهوايات والاهتمامات. Let's start. Skateboarding, skateboarding. You can repeat skateboarding. Surfing, surfing. Repeat surfing. Dancing, dancing. Repeat dancing. Great job. Cooking, cooking. Repeat cooking. Well done. Playing the guitar, playing the guitar. Repeat playing the guitar. Good job. Listening to music, listening to music. Repeat listening to music. Well done. Playing computer games, playing computer games. Repeat playing computer games. Excellent. Watching TV, watching TV. Repeat watching TV. Playing jigsaw puzzles, playing jigsaw puzzles. Repeat playing jigsaw puzzles. Reading, reading. Repeat reading. Good job. Cycling, cycling. You can repeat cycling. Well done. Camping, camping, camping. Taking photos, taking photos. Repeat taking photos. Well done. Swimming, swimming. Repeat swimming. Doing gymnastics, doing gymnastics. Repeat doing gymnastics. Playing soccer, playing soccer, or you can say soccer. You can repeat playing soccer. Playing billiards, playing billiards. You can repeat playing billiards. Well done. Playing golf, playing golf. You can repeat playing golf. Playing chess, playing chess. Repeat playing chess. Hiking, hiking. You can repeat hiking. Great job. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press like. See you later and goodbye.